Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. So pupunta kami ngayon ng Bacolod to attend the graduation of my brother John Lloyd Piolo Espeso. So congratulations brother! I hope na you appreciate this day and you're gonna thank our parents for all the sacrifices they did for you. Wow!
Say hi to my vlog! So ano naman, bal mo kayo na mag-graduate ng bata mo? Ang bal bata mo? Thank you, Lord. Ano? Thank you, Lord. Ang wala na? For the sacrifice. Survive. Survive. Say hi to my vlog. So hello guys. Graduate na yung kapatid natin sa admin sa kalima? Madam. So hello guys, amo ni ang tsura ka mga ginikanan ng magutang. Ingat sa mata nila nila sa dyan mo nila sa damo muna sa utang kita ang ginikanan niya sa mo utang. Thank you Lord, nakagandit na ang amo nila ikatatlo hari na lang ang sunod nga gasto.
Speaker today is someone who embodies leadership and innovation in maritime governance. To formally introduce where she was actively involved in work for the International Maritime Organization.
Abaw, si Maninay nakaslibless daw ay balagin tugnawan.
Wala na?
Here we call Dominic L. Pulale.
Sana all.
I can't remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care for anyone.
Brigada Raymond S. Yasay Brian Anthony C.
That we shall give our last service to God. Please lower your hands.
Ari na ta sa Pangitaay. Kuniin ang hindi makitaan. Calling Lloyd Espresso. Paano ang Pangitaay? Hoy, John Lloyd, din ka na uyaya sa imo. Calling.
I can't remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can do. Through the years, you never let me down. You turn my life around.
Congratulations! Sana all! So hello guys, nagpuli na kami. Tapos na nga muna nga kalbaryo sa Pangitaay sa nangyari. Ano mga say mo? Congratulations! Hindi na uyab mo yaga. Sana all yaga mo uyab sila ikaw. Sana all may uyab. Are, wala uyab.
Ito naman may
Ha? Ang daddy ko. Look at that. Very proud. Kapitan, ikaw ba yan? Kapitan! Kapitan sa barko. Olive, chicken inasal, with my family. Family di mag-iba. So, orang kapit ko. May kapit ko da. Let's try.
ano yung musod, ano no?
Same.
Kaya ano may, ano, so may...
Jidsen, gutom ka na, Jidsen. Gutom ka na. Why are you crying? Congrats! Congrats, John Lloyd. Kabay pa, makasakay ka na. Synergy. Serious. Guys, so dahil na lang tabakaon na may kayo magwapo sa ilang server. Here. Gwapo ay, kagwapo mo na ay.
You better lock your phone and look at me.
Thank you so much. Ano eh? Nena's bed? Doon na kamo di guys, the best ang ilang food and mga server na the best. Cheers!
So thank you guys for watching my vlog. Bye!